Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about 5 things you should do before and during a home purchase. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Thanks again for dropping in and watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button right now. And if you get anything from this video, like it and share it. Let's jump into the content. All right, number 1, choosing the right agent. So it is very important, you guys, to choose the right agent when you are beginning your home search. You've got to make sure you're picking someone that knows what they're doing, has the experience, to where you feel comfortable and you can trust this agent. They're going to protect you and they're going to fight for you when things get dirty, because trust me, sometimes they can get dirty. So be sure to choose somebody you can trust, somebody that has a proven track record, and if it's a family referral, somebody that referred you to this agent, or somebody that referred this agent to you, I should say, there's a lot that goes into purchasing a home. So you want to make sure the professional agent that you hire is experienced and is aware of things that can go wrong and how to overcome those, okay? Also, somebody who's going to fight for you and get you the best deal out there possible. All right, number 2, getting pre-qualified. What is pre-qualified? Simply talking to your mortgage lender to see how much you will be able to afford when it comes to purchasing the right home for you. Just a few things that come into play when getting pre-qualified is your debt, your income, and your FICO score. And those are 3 very important factors that come into play when you're doing your pre-qualification. So find the right mortgage lender for yourself to get pre-qualified, and do this before you start looking for a home. Why do we have to do this before we start looking for a home, Nick? Very simple. Imagine this. You're out there looking at these homes and you're falling in love with maybe 1 or 2 homes that you are ready to purchase and put an offer in. You got your agent out there, he's helping you find the best home for your family. Well, you fall in love, you go back home, you talk about it, and you guys are ready to submit an offer. Well, not so fast. Without a pre-qualification from your lender, you're not even gonna be able to submit an offer. Well, I guess you can submit the offer, but the agent or the seller on the other end is not even gonna take a look at it because they have no clue if you're even qualified to purchase this home, okay? So choosing the right agent to guide you along this step is very important. Your agent should know that this is the first and most important step to purchasing a home. If you need any recommendations on a great mortgage lender, drop me a comment and I can help you guys out. Number 3, performing a home inspection. You guys, this is so crucial to your home purchasing process, and you may ask why, and to me it's pretty self-explanatory, right? I mean, you're purchasing a home that you've never been in or lived in, and you know there's another family in there. You don't know how they take care of this home. So it's very, very important that you perform a home inspection so you could see exactly what's going on with the house, to see if there's anything that you need to ask for to be repaired during the transaction. I don't know how many situations I hear about where the buyer decides not to perform a home inspection, and then they go to move into the house and they find that simple, I mean, any little simple thing, a light's not working, the dishwasher's not working. So what is covered on a home inspection? Well, pretty much everything from the roofing to the flooring, pretty much all aspects of the property. Now, not every single aspect of the property, but they cover a great amount to where you're going to at least know if there is something that you should be concerned about, okay? So performing a home inspection is definitely in the top 5 while purchasing a home. All right, let's move on to number 4, making sure you have enough money to buy the home. Now, of course, this will come into play when you're getting pre-qualified. The lender's going to let you know if you have enough money or not. However, let's be smart about this here. Let's think about the future, okay? I know it's pretty exciting when you're thinking about buying a home and you feel that you're ready. Make sure that you're ready, okay? There's a lot of costs that can come into play while purchasing a home. Number 1, your down payment. How much do you want to put down? And that is really up to you, and that could be the conversation that you have with your lender to figure out exactly what's going to be best for your specific scenario, okay? So down payment cost or down payment funds. Number 2 would be closing costs. I get this all the time. Hey Nick, I've got X amount of dollars, I'm ready to buy a home, and we're going through the process, and I'm asking, okay, so what about closing costs? How much money do you have set aside for closing costs? What are closing costs? Well, that's a good question. Closing costs are the costs in your home purchase, fees that are paid at the end of the transaction, and the buyer has their own closing costs and the seller has their own closing costs, and it's a sum of the fees of title fees, escrow fees, appraisal fees, transfer fees, and maybe even some attorney fees in some cases. So being sure that you have enough money set aside to cover everything that is involved in purchasing a home is very, very important. Don't get ahead of yourselves, plan it out, strategize it, and maybe even talk with your mortgage professional prior to even starting the process so that you know you're prepared. All right, guys, and tip number 5, just remember to have fun, okay? Purchasing a home, it can be a little stressful, okay? There are things that can happen during the transaction that may cause a little strife between buyer and seller, agent and buyer, agent and seller, between families. So just remember to keep it fun, you guys, because at the end of the day, it will all work out if it's supposed to, okay? If this is the right home for you, it's going to work out. There will be little bumps in the road, but you will get through it, I promise. Trust me, there are tons of transactions that I've been through where, either buyer, seller, or myself is thinking, oh my gosh, is this thing gonna close? Trust me, you guys, it gets worked out. Don't freak out, stay positive, stay calm, and just have some fun, okay? A real estate transaction doesn't have to be stressful. It just depends on how you want to react to the things that may happen during the transaction. So guys, just stay positive, stay happy, keep a smile on your face that you're even blessed enough to purchase a home, because trust me, there's plenty of people out there that would wish that they are in your position, stressing out during the home purchase process. Just keep on smiling, guys. Stay happy. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I showed you 5 things that you should do before and during a home purchase so that you are ready to have a successful real estate transaction. If there are any questions out there, drop a comment below. Remember, smash that subscribe button, smash the like button, share this with your family and with your friends if you think they could use it. And if you ever have any real estate related questions, feel free, drop me a comment anytime. I love interacting with you guys, and thanks again for checking out the video. We'll see you soon. Wait, one more thing. If you guys haven't connected with me on Facebook and Instagram, go check me out, facebook.com/Nick Cardenas Real Estate, and on Instagram @Nick Cardenas Real Estate. Let's connect not just here on YouTube, but on all the other social media outlets. Go find me, Facebook, Instagram. Can't wait to see you guys there. Peace.